Hey faves, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am bringing you this makeup tutorial. It's a very quick one. The reason why I'm doing a voiceover, it's because I have been sick since I came back from Cape Town and I don't know how much longer I'm going to be sick, so I still have to create content for you guys. But anyway, so Dream Doll Cosmetics is a South African cosmetics company. They are online based, they have their own website, so they were kind enough to send me this package. First of all, the packaging is to die for, so chic and completely on trend. So in the package they sent me, there is this 35 pan palette. I will link everything down in the description box below. And by the way, I have a 10% off discount code for you guys, so if you would like to purchase any of the products on their site, I will leave my discount code in the description box for you guys. So this is how the 35 pan palette looks. It has a mixture of mattes as well as shimmers and 3 glitter pans, as you guys can see. And then they also sent me a gloss. This is kind of like a lip paint gloss situation. It smells really good, and in the video you guys can see I'm swatching it for you so you can see the color of the gloss. Okay, and yes, but there we go. And then the next product that they sent me is a blush collection palette. So there are 3 blushes as well as 3 highlights. Can you look at this packaging, you guys? It's so girly and so me. So at the top you guys can see the 3 blush colors, and at the bottom are the 3 highlighters. And I love that the palette has a mirror inside. So convenient. Guys, please look at the pigment of this highlight. Like, Dream Doll Cosmetics is not here to play with you, okay? Anyway, so I didn't really know what I was doing in this video. I didn't plan to do any makeup look, so I really just winged it. And I decided to try some color, which is something that I barely do on this channel. I really love like a neutral face. I hardly ever do like glam eyeshadow. By the way, towards the end of the video you guys will see that I did not put on any lashes. I think this look would have looked fire if I had lashes on, but unfortunately I was sick, like I said, and my eyes are a bit sensitive. I don't know what's going on. Even with my eye cream, there's just like some kind of reaction happening, so I didn't want to get a reaction by using lash glue, so I simply just used mascara throughout the video. Okay, so you guys can see with the pink color that the colors on the 35 pan eyeshadow palette are quite pigmented. Like it's there, okay, it's there. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my crease using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. So after I cut my crease, I wanted to use a lighter shade in the palette, but unfortunately it looked very ashy. The shade of the light pink I wanted to use, it looked very ashy on my skin tone, so I just decided to use a shimmer pink shadow from another palette. So this is the pink that I wanted to use. So as you guys can see now, I am packing the shimmer shadow from the other palette right where on the concealer where I cut my crease. And just to pick up the product more and pack it on your lid better, I would suggest that you spray your brush with a fixing spray. And then next I'm going to use this dark purple shade just to blend it on my outer corners of my eyes. Okay, and then we're gonna do the other eye. Sorry guys, I don't know why I'm smiling. I think someone texted me, I'm not sure. Anyway, now I'm using my Estee Lauder Volumizing mascara. Okay, so now I'm gonna go off camera and finish the rest of my face. I just wanted to show you the foundation that I'm using. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I am in the shade Maple. And after blending that in with the brush, I'm just gonna go over it so that it looks perfect on my skin with a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. And now I'm going to use my blush palette from Dreamtall Cosmetics. I'm going to use both the blush as well as the highlighter from this palette. Okay, so for the blush, I mixed the two, the one in the middle and the one on the right that I'm showing you right now. So the reason why I mixed both these blushes is because the other one was a bit too light for me and the other one was just too pink. So by mixing them together, I was happy with how it looked. And now I'm going to use this highlighter over here in the middle. It's a very like subtle gold. However, when I put it on, it was just like, okay sweetie, here I am. South Africa is about to go gold. Guys, I absolutely love this highlighter. I mean, do you see why I love it? I'm sure you guys can see why I love this highlighter. I will dream doll sweerie. And then I really tried to use the gloss with a lot of my lipsticks, but it was just too light for my skin tone, so I just went ahead and used a clear gloss. And that is basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I didn't try to make it super long, and yeah, that is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Guys, I really suck at that thing that other beauty YouTubers do. Like, I just laugh when I have to do this. But anyway, bye guys.